These ladies give me a lot of questions. Usually the one thing say, can't touch me, can't grab me, can't love me. And oh, I heard you say, is it a oh no, I just pop sometimes. And it's money dog in my dance. Money doggy. Cause the last time I sang to a woman, she wouldn't let go of my hand. I can't even sing, I can't hold a note, but I got the soul, they love me at the show. So I don't care if we sound like shit, cause tonight's about to make up for it. Ba-dum-bum-bum-ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba. Don't gotta sing it right, don't gotta sing it. Ba-dum-bum-bum-ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba. Don't gotta sing it right, ba-dum-bum-bum-bum-ba. Don't gotta sing it right, don't gotta sing it. Ba-dum-bum-bum-bum-ba. The music's still tight. You sing first while I play the beat. She said we don't do that where I'm from. Damn, where you live, you're a hypocrite, cause you sing super good with your tongue. Go. You're so crazy, I'm just a little bit. I don't got notes, but I got the biggest hits. Tell me why it takes so much to do this. Oh, they ain't ready for it. Don't nobody give a fuck about it. You be singing, you be rapping, they be chuckle laughing. When you're bringing in the money, they be up and clapping. You can't sing it off key if it's to a mansion. I be ad-libbing when I walk. You can't touch me, I be bad singing when I talk. You gotta love me, I'ma rap you off and tell you off. And turn me on when you're singing with the vocals off. Turn them off like ba-dum-bum-bum-ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba. Don't gotta sing it right, don't gotta sing it. Ba-dum-bum-bum-ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba. Don't gotta sing it right, ba-dum-bum-bum-bum-ba. Don't gotta sing it right, don't gotta sing it. Ba-dum-bum-bum-bum-ba. Get it right, the music's still tight. Ba-dum-bum-bum-ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba. Don't gotta get it right, don't gotta sing it. Ba-dum-bum-bum-ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba. Don't gotta get it right, don't gotta sing it. Ba-dum-bum-bum-ba. Don't gotta get it right, don't gotta sing it. Ba-dum-bum-bum-ba. The music's still tight.
Ran into you at the drugstore, you were picking up your prescription. It's funny cause I got addicted to you when we were in love. And even though you broke it off, I struggle with it like you were a bottle of pills. I wish I could give in to my dependency, but I move on because I know what's bad for me. Cause seeing you means calling you means all over roof again, falling for you means sleepless nights, me in my mind means craving the hit of you all the time. I can't even have a taste, I can't open up that gate. I can't open up that gate. I can't open up. Every time that I see you online, I wanna drop you a line, say hello, but I already know how it'll go. Small talk, but it's a big deal to me. I get in my feelings too fast, then I'm hurting when you don't write me back. I wish I could give in to my dependency, but I move on because I know what's bad for me. Cause seeing you means calling you means all over roof again, falling for you means sleepless nights, me in my mind means craving the hit of you all the time. I can't even have a taste, I can't open up that gate. I can't open up that gate. I can't open up. I used to spiral when I couldn't get enough, so I moved on because I had to sober up. She may be pretty, she may be smart, she may be funny, she's changed your broken heart. I'll never be her, although I try. She may seem perfect for you, but so am I. And I know it's wrong to take what I like, but I hope there's trouble in paradise. You seem to think that you'll be the one, but I don't, 'cause I know one will love you like me. She makes you smile, she makes you laugh, she makes you happy in ways I never have. I try to hate you, find faults or crimes, but your only fault is that I'm no longer mine. And I know it's wrong to take what I like, but I hope there's trouble in paradise. You seem to think that you'll be the one, but I don't, 'cause I know one will love you like me.
The way you're moving, oh, my baby.